Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Bank of England Deputy Governor for Financial Stability, John Cunliffe, recommended forming a set of regulations similar to conventional financial systems to tackle risks within the cryptocurrency ecosystem while improving investor confidence. Oil prices fell in a volatile trade, reversing most of the previous session's gains as markets braced for a demand expected from mass testing for COVID-19 in China, which outweighed ongoing concern over tight supply. Global population growth fell to less than 1% for the first time since the Second World War, as Europe's population started declining during the coronavirus pandemic, according to a UN report. The oil fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The US 52-week bill auction at 1530 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 GMT. The Eurozone ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, at 0900 hours GMT. UK's 10Y bond auction at 0930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.